y'all, we've been in the kitchen all day, and here is the reveal. Remember, we're cooking 3 things today. We cooked the roasted corn and black bean salsa. We cooked the A++ Boston butt, and we also cooked the creamy grits. And here is what it is when you serve it all together right here on this beautiful, beautiful plate. And I've got a fork right here, and we're gonna taste it right here. So you put a bed of grits on the bottom, you put your meat and some sauce on the top from the bottom of your crock pot, and then you put some of this wonderful roasted corn and black bean salsa, and you have got tangy, let's try the grits first. Those grits are good. Here's grits, and roasted corn, black bean salsa, Boston butt. Y'all, David's gonna love me for this. And if y'all make it, you'll love it too. It's good. It's worth a day in the kitchen getting all this done and having this really, really good food. Ooh, yeah. Okay, y'all, let's have another bite of this. We've got the grits that are good. We're gonna get a little bit of that roasted corn and black bean salsa, and we're gonna get a little bit of that A++ Boston butt. Okay, here we go. We're gonna do us a taste. Y'all ready? Perfect bite. It's a big one, so y'all are gonna have to talk while I eat this. You know what? The pork is so rich and wonderful, and it's got that beautiful juice that we made. The grits are creamy, and this roasted corn and black bean salsa has a little fresh note to it, as well as a little tang. It's really good. And you know, I'm gonna eat this next bite that has all that on there. But before I do, I'm gonna tell you that the only thing that you need to make this perfect, is a glass of y'all sweet tea. So I've got my y'all sweet tea here. Get a sip. That's really good. Y'all sweet tea and this, you're gonna be happy. It's a match made in heaven. Bye, y'all. Cheers. Last bite. That was yummy. And I'm going to tell you what I always tell you. The good Lord loves you, and I love you too. Y'all go make some good food for your family. Let's say a prayer for each other, and have a good one. Love y'all. Bye-bye.